Hello everyone, my name is Aarti and you're watching HW News. We have been walking with the Bharat Jodo Yatra on the 63rd day of the Yatra for almost 2 hours since morning 6 o'clock, and right now you can see the Yatra is in at its peak, and you can see behind you, you can see on your screen right now, there's a huge crowd of people who have gathered here to see Rahul Gandhi on both the sides of the road. Women, children, men, elderly, all have gathered to see Rahul Gandhi. On the other side, you can see Rahul Gandhi walking there in a distance. There is a huge security ring around him. But on the both the sides, you can also see that there is a huge crowd of people, a sea of people coming here to walk with Rahul Gandhi. This is in Nanded. Today morning, he started his walk from the Ram Tirth Chowk, and from there he will go to Kusum Lawns in Naigaon today. This is the morning leg of the Yatra. He will walk a few kilometers, almost 10 kilometers he will walk, and after that there will be a rest point at about 11. There will be a press conference conducted by Media Chief of the Congress Party, Jairam Ramesh. But this is the scene at this moment at Bharat Jodo Yatra. You can see a huge convoy of people. There is a sea of people there, but behind that there is a huge convoy, mini trucks. There are people coming in with huge posters, and it's a huge crowd that we are witnessing here at Bharat Jodo Yatra. Similar response was in the morning, but there was less crowd in the morning, but now the crowd is swelling up as in how the day moves. And you can see just further, there are different bands being played. Children are lined up on the streets here in a costume of Warkari, and they are welcoming Rahul Gandhi. The band is being played on the other side. Women, children are gathered here. You saw two kids in a costume of Vitthal and Rakhumai, the deities that are popular in Maharashtra. They were there to welcome Rahul Gandhi. So throughout this yatra, it is being seen that a show of culture is also being seen in this Bharat Jodo Yatra. And these are the visuals that we are seeing right here in Bharat Jodo Yatra. I would request my camera person to just turn around and show you some more visuals of it. This Bharat Jodo Yatra entered Maharashtra 2 days ago, and it entered at Deglur, few kilometers away from Nanded, and now this yatra will move towards Madhya Pradesh. It will pass through different districts in Maharashtra, and it will pass through 15 constituencies, different constituencies before it will go to Madhya Pradesh. But before that, 14 days this yatra will be in Maharashtra, and the beginning of the yatra has been very successful. In South India, we saw there was a huge response to Bharat Jodo Yatra, but when it comes to Maharashtra, here is where the party had lost its rule, party had lost from power, and that is why it was important to see what is the response for the Bharat Jodo Yatra. Ahead of this yatra, there was a lot of murmur about discontent in the Congress party, especially the state unit of the Congress party. But now we see, especially in the arrangements of the Bharat Jodo Yatra, the Congress at this moment seems very united. We also spoke to a lot of leaders of the Congress party, and we asked them about the murmurs of some leaders of the Congress party joining BJP or leaving the Congress party. However, they have said that the Congress stands united, and this is the situation right now that we can see here. In the meantime, the Mahavikas Aghadi Alliance partners are also going to join the Bharat Jodo Yatra soon. We have got confirmation that Supriya Sule, NCP MP, apart from that Jitendra Awad, former minister, also from NCP, and Jayant Patil will be joining Bharat Jodo Yatra tomorrow. And after that, on 11th of November, Shiv Sena leader Aditya Thackeray will also be joining Bharat Jodo Yatra. So this is the scenario right now. Mahavikas Aghadi leaders will also be joining in, and you can see the crowd here is swelling. As the day passes, we will get you more updates regarding Bharat Jodo Yatra. Till then, stay tuned to HW News.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.